So since 2006, AggieAir has built, developed, flew, and delivered data from custom aircraft, custom payloads for natural resources and remote sensing work. In this space, we have created brand new aircraft for remote estimation of microagriculture, natural resources management, aquaculture. This lab represents something unique, an aerospace lab focused on natural resources management.
My name's Ian Gowing. I'm the manager of the AggieAir Service Centre. We fly for a variety of research applications looking at the health of vegetation within orchards, vineyards, to flying rivers for thermal sort of identification. The AggieAir is at the forefront of UAV technology. We're always striving for the latest drones, the latest sensors, really to push forward the research we carry out here at the Water Lab.